in protein, it is broken down in your digestive tract into 21 common amino acids. Now, 9 of those 21 are what we call essential amino acids. That means you can't make them in your body. They have to come from your diet, just like vitamins and minerals. And the body can take other amino acids and mix them around to get the proteins built that the body needs. So you eat certain protein, the protein is broken down, and then it's rebuilt into the 5,000 different proteins in your cells. Now, to get those essential amino acids, it's very important to have the right proteins. And what you see here on the bottom of the slide is a bunch of bars, and those bars are different heights. And what they indicate is something called the Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score. And this was developed in 1992 in order to grade the quality of proteins. So we know that many plant proteins don't have all of the amino acids that are needed, whereas milk protein, egg white protein, and soy protein are what we call complete proteins because they have all the amino acids that you need for your essential and non-essential needs of amino acids to build all the proteins in your body. However, the good news is you can take some of these lower quality proteins and combine them, things like flax, sesame, and other plant proteins, and combine them together, and they will complement each other. That is, the amino acids that are missing in one will be present in another, and put them together, and now you have a complete protein just like soy. And so you'll be seeing plant proteins in the future. Now, muscle is very important. And you know, it is part of our lean body mass. Your lean body mass consists of your organ protein and your muscle protein. Any kind of your organ protein stays pretty constant due to metabolism. But over the years, if you don't exercise, you lose muscle protein every decade. And as you age, people lose muscle. This has a couple of effects. First of all, muscle burns more calories than fat. So as you lose muscle and it's replaced with fat, the number of calories you burn every day goes down. And I've had people come to me at age 40 and they say, Dr. Heber, I don't understand it. I'm eating the same number of calories as I was before, but I'm gaining weight. And what's happened is the muscle has gone down, you're burning fewer calories, and so now eating the same amount of food, more of it's getting stored as fat. Now, how do you maintain your muscle? Well, it's a combination of exercise, resistance exercise, using bands or your body weight or weight machines or free weights, and also eating the right protein at the right time. Now, what you need to understand is that muscle does not store protein. After you eat a meal, as shown on the slide, the amino acids in your bloodstream go up. When they're higher in the blood than in the muscle, the amino acids stream into the muscle. They stimulate new protein synthesis. And then after you're done eating between meals, the amino acid levels in the blood are lower. Now the amino acids come out of the muscle and muscle protein breakdown occurs. And this is going on all day long, as shown in the lower part of the slide. You're building up and breaking down. So this means you need the right amount of protein at every meal throughout the day, as well as after exercise within 30 minutes to 1 hour of finishing your exercise session. And we'll talk more about that in a few minutes. And not enough protein at lunch, but then a huge amount at dinner. Now, this may vary from culture to culture. Some people eat their biggest meal in the middle of the day. But the point is, by not having the right amount of protein distributed throughout the day, at 3 to 5 meals, you're not getting enough protein for your body. And that's why it's so important to supplement with our protein shakes and other bars and so forth that are available, and also foods that are high in protein, low in fat, and with healthy carbohydrates to help your body absorb those amino acids and get them into the muscle where they can help maintain your strength and your lean body mass. So getting back to our primary product, which is Formula One, it's made with soy protein. Soy is one of the best plant proteins in the world. It is